Royal Caribbean has officially revealed new details about its upcoming ship, Legend of the Seas, launching July 2026. And from what we've seen, it's shaping up to be their most legendary ship yet. From train themed dining to Broadway style shows and brand new family spaces, this ship is packed with surprises. Let's break down everything we know so far. Launching in July 2026, this will be the third ship in the Icon class lineup. It will first sail on a 7-night Western Mediterranean to Barcelona and Rome. It will then move over to Fort Lauderdale for both a 6-night as well as 8-night Caribbean cruises later that year in November. Royal Caribbean will roll out more details in the coming months, but we already have a preview of the biggest features. Legend of the Seas is introducing fascinating new dining destinations. There will be a total of 28 total dining options on board, the most at sea. So let's talk about the new dining options. First up is the Royal Railway Legend Station. Now, if you've experienced the Royal Railway on the Utopia of the Seas, then you'll be familiar with this attraction. However, this one isn't going to be Western inspired like Utopia. On the Legend, it's going to be inspired by the ancient silk routes through China, Turkey, and Italy, just to name a few. For those who are new to this experience, this is a 48-seat theatrical, train-themed, 5-course meal, journey, and show. Next up is the Hollywoodland Supper Club, a vintage Hollywood dinner experience with live jazz and golden age glamour. This is going to be similar to the Lincoln Supper Club on the Star and the Empire Supper Club on the Icon of the Seas. Lastly are the changes to the Aquadome Market. It is getting a brand new makeover. This food hall will feature 5 new food stalls plus a juice and smoothie bar. Now don't worry, your favorites are returning. Giovanni's, Hooked, Chops Grill, Azumi Hibachi, Azumi in the Park, Celebration Table, and Pier 7 are all returning. The entertainment lineup has leveled up and is classic Royal Caribbean. Big, bold, and over the top. Get your golden tickets ready for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. If you like the classic books and movies, then you're going to love this new Broadway-style show. In my eyes, nobody can beat the classic Willy Wonka movie with Gene Wilder, so I'm curious to see how the Legend will spin this into their own show. When it comes to reimagined experiences, nobody does it better than Royal Caribbean. The family favorite Lost Dunes mini golf is returning with a fresh new look. They are taking old school golf and putting a twist on the classic game. The carousel is getting a facelift, highlighting the crazed rubber duck hide and seek game that has taken over all of Royal Caribbean ships. The playscape area is getting redesigned also for the kiddies. Returning favorites are the Category 6 Waterpark with 6 record-breaking water slides, the Crown's Edge Skywalk and Zip Line, as well as the Adrenaline Peak rock climbing wall. There's also going to be upgrades to some of the family-friendly cabins. The Ultimate Family Townhouse will feature a brand new 3-story floor plan, complete with a 2-story slide and an in-house cinema. In addition, parents will get a larger and more spacious bedroom. Another new feature is going to be new family ocean view balcony rooms, but this will only be for the Caribbean sailings. So you'll have new balcony options for family cabins. If you would like us to help you book your next cruise for the Legend or any cruise, head over to our website at www.questaccepted.com. Fill out the inquiry form, and one of us will contact you right away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next quest.